Yo, what's going on YouTube? I go by the name J Pablo, but ladies call me the Dark Link Master Chocolate. Yeah, and guys, on today's episode we are bringing you the Groove Edition Part 2. So basically, it's fun guys. Why Nisela Utwala? What's the reason behind the pose every weekend or Nisela Utwala? Is it peer pressure? Is it traumatic experience or what? So we're trying to know, guys. Thank you. Let's just get into it. Let's go. Indoni wayilahla unxelile kwenzeka ntoni ukuze ilahla
ngazana ndayilahla nqilile baba bezimana phemba kohansi bajongile
ayizilani cause happiness
So that's the only thing you're gonna say.
I'd rather God.
So have you ever lost an item drunk, and how did that happen?
yes, it was the iPhone.
Why are you with this guy?
So what is that one thing you hate about drinking alcohol?
People approaching me.
Like men.
analokhuze
Wapi?
ewe mna ke ndenza ne-crush zam zoba zibone bo
Yeah.
andayazi banqamile
Ngowaphi?
Wapi? Cosweg P.
azokhosibheke ethole ifito ofuna zimana bhayikhaya
Ithi ungubani mhlambi akufumanayo ku Facebook, Instagram, TikTok,
naselomuntu analokhuze
everywhere.
happy analokhuze
Okay, first question.
Yeah, so the first question is, what made you start drinking alcohol?
yeah so into endenza bamngiqabaniselwe into utshwala njengoba wamama aqaba makadifoseni tatam so nangena afleko
Yeah.
since bandi second born ekhaya ufithi the experience yonke into enzekayo pha ekhaya
Yeah.
futhi enguyiyo nami enendibala ngcono into utshwala mosibusisa yonke iproblem enzekayo
Yeah.
ndenza bos ndibale yonke into enzekayo emhlabeni ya into ezinjalo so second apha emhlabeni mos sometimes abantwana bacinga uba siqhubiswa into ngujolo siqhubiswa imali endiba utshwala kuzovuka njani
Yeah.
So ugoyela uba uzifumana njani imali yothenga utywala?
officially mna ndiyadidele etshwaleni andikuwadidele majamani amangazanini
Uthenga utywaleni uzinikele,
ndekwayazo
uzinikele etywaleni.
apha ndinikele etshwaleni
So
Okay.
so yintoni laa nto eyi-1
Uyizonda
ezonda ngotywala?
ayikho
abuthandi utywala.
utshwala bundenza ndilale kamandi utshwala utshwala bundenza ndicinge kamandi utshwala utshwala everything utshwala
Uzinikele ya ujikti serious.
and utshwala buyawina utshwala buyawina utshwala
So umbuzo wesithathu,
bayikhabi bone 500 biyayikhaba ngolutshwala qelela nyana
yintoni lakho yintoni into ngeyiphi alcohol brand eyakwenza waqomba hayi ndiyayoyika?
Ngeke uphinde ubusele. Bhama. Kwezinyongo.
eyona brand alcohol endiyithandayo ibrand nebuza
Like yiphi like ibrand ngeke uphinde uyisele bomba noba ngathiwa ingabekwa apho.
andixelela
Bhama. Abo iswisola we.
hayi jomla wena
But yakwenza ntoni wena?
hayi jomla endenza lalila apha etaveni hleka tawo ipodcast akodyahleka
Ngake ndiqale yabona le interview yona imnandi siyenjoyelandi.
Singazayifumana.
Zake sayenjoya le we.
nayizela
Bhama.
Ibham, hayi wrong ibham.
Bhama thina sizoyika isavana ne-brutal fruit.
Ne-Russian bear.
mina kubani bani
Yeah. Azowara.
So yintoni into wakhe wayilahla ngoku wanxulile? And yintoni into yakhe wayenzeka ngoku wanxulile?
ulanxoleka
Yeah, yintoni into wayenzeka wayilahla?
Like mamela intoni wayilahla unxelile kwenzeka ntoni ukuze ilahla?
Ndazana ndayilahla ngincindile ngoba babezimane apha emva kohansi bajongile mna selo
Kwakuthini? Kwakuthini?
awabona uba mna ndiyafonyoza yabo so awaqonda amafumana into odobhetere kunam olapha kayenze emva kohansi
Yintoni eyona nto iphambeneyo wakho wayenza nxa yotywala?
utywala
Yeah.
ulila
Walila phambi kwabantu
ulila bakhona
ngoba kuthini? Awucaciseli
Kusela abantu.
cacisela abantu abakubukeleyo.
Okay, good people. Dalila, mayoba. Bakutwala kodwa ngikuphe imali. Eka dala. Bonke uyiposte. Abantu
Okay, question yokugqibela.
Yintoni advice wayinika umntu
Ongekaphi.
ongazange waqala utywala nje?
Usela utywala.
njalo
Yintoni advice wayinika umntu ongazange waqala usela utywala?
Owakabusela utywala.
bakabuzela utywala zomuntu emnandi bayintoni umnandi utywala ta yho good people ngixelele nantsi bazi bakubambe bablishwa mna xa ndabumnandi nantsi utywala bumnandi
Yintoni oyiselayo?
Usela Heineken.
uqobo lwam hayi Heineken ndisele ngelanga hoya uqobo lwam selibhebhebhule na
Kasivelezele le nto uyiselayo.
Akonita ivele.
ongekabusela utywala makabusele azova uba heyi utywala mntanam
Enkosi.
So can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Splash Mpemba. Nickname is Splash, guys.
Naam Splash Mpemba.
Lesbian.
Yeah. Start.
Yeah, if you feel like guys,
You love stats. Comment down below.
Yeah.
Comment down below. This is our first stat in the podcast.
Yeah.
Okay, so what made you start drinking alcohol, Anam?
Yeah, because when I saw my friends drinking, I wanted to drink.
So you were curious.
Yeah, I wanted to taste alcohol because I saw my friend with happy.
Yeah.
So you also wanted
So
to be
you, are you also happy
Happy.
while drinking alcohol?
Yeah, I'm happy, guys.
So what is that one thing you hate about alcohol? You hate a hangover. So what alcohol brand do you fear the most?
KWV.
What happened?
What happened? You wanna know the full story?
Because
Did you vomit?
What
What
the best
happened?
ratwini?
yeah, never moved.
And then you blacked out. You blacked out. You blacked out.
Walibala yonke we.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. So have you ever lost an item drunk, and how did that happen?
So when I was in a phone groove or something,
I do come with my phone.
but
So you've never lost keys, money, and anything?
I feel like abantu fana bafunde kuye ba okay ba yeah.
So for someone who hasn't started drinking, what do you advise them to do?
Guys, learn because happiness, learn.
So that's the only thing you're gonna say.
I advise right got it
So you advise them to go to alcohol, not to
Yeah.
leave alcohol.
No, why must we use alcohol? Because njabuleleli laga.
Lelila, I'm telling you.
I'm telling you to tell Pananga
Okay, last question girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, craziest thing.
What's the craziest thing you ever done while drunk?
Stand on tables, guys,
Yeah.
Dance.
out and say that.
But you're having fun, but there's nothing wrong.
There's nothing wrong. That's not crazy.
Because I'm a shy person, man.
Yeah.
Not you.
So to you, that's the craziest thing you ever done. Okay.
Lost my shoes, guys.
One shoe.
So it goes back to that question. So to say,
Have you ever lost,
you ever lost an item drunk, and how did that happen?
One shoe. Did you go home without that shoe?
Did you go home without that shoe?
I did go home.
And then your parents, what did they say? I thank you very much. Okay, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Zandi Mtala. I'm about to do an interview.
So, Zandi, what made you to start drinking alcohol?
It's peer pressure. It's peer pressure.
Yeah. So you never did it like willingly?
No, it was peer pressure.
So you were never curious about, okay,
Before I had a lot of friends, like I had a group of six. Yeah.
okay.
It was rough.
So what is that one thing you hate about drinking alcohol?
And like you make bad decisions. You make bad decisions.
So you don't wanna extend on the bad decisions.
Not now.
Okay. So what alcohol brand do you fear the most?
Savannah.
Savannah. Damn. What happened?
Savannah.
What happened? What did Savannah do to you?
Also have a story about Savannah.
Aibo.
We have a lot of stories about Savannah, but we wanna hear your perspective, Ebo.
It's Savannah because if I see it on my friends, the ones that are drinking Savannah, they're always great. So I don't mind to drink
What
Savannah.
about you? What about you?
I don't mind Savannah. I don't have any story.
Okay. So have you ever lost an item drunk, and how did that happen?
Yes, it was a iPhone.
Why you always guys always lost phones?
You always lose phones. What's wrong with
No,
you?
I gave it to someone to take pictures and then I just went home and then gave it to
And then you forgot the phone to the person.
Oh, you forgot the person who it was.
Yes, we had to go and then the next morning we had to go kill hands and then we were looking and searching.
Did you eventually find it or what?
Yes, we did because of that person told me that she was sleeping and then she didn't. I mean, she saw the missed call but then she couldn't take the calls because she was sleeping.
So
Yeah, I got it the next day.
So for someone who hasn't started drinking, what do you advise them to do?
To not drink at all.
Why?
It's not a good idea. It's not a good thing.
Is it like an addiction or something?
Yeah.
You get addicted to alcohol. So they must not start it because you get addicted to alcohol. The moral of the story here is that you are saying they must not start it because you get addicted.
You get addicted and I'm also trying to quit.
But you're addicted,
Yeah.
so you can't quit. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi everyone. It's Miss Double M, aka Mrs.
Okay, she's not new to this. She's an OG. So what made you start drinking alcohol?
I actually think it was peer pressure.
Yeah.
Why all of you guys say it's peer pressure?
All of you guys say it's peer pressure.
For me, I didn't have the actual mind of saying, now I'm gonna drink alcohol. My friends were like, no, let's drink alcohol, let's taste alcohol. I'm like,
But what happens now?
I'm still supporting. I'm not an alcoholic. I'm still supporting.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what is that one thing you hate about drinking alcohol?
It's people approaching me.
Like men.
Men approaching me.
They have maybe confidence to approach you when they are drunk.
They kind of do. I
Yeah.
won't lie. They kind of do.
Yeah.
Most of them, they kind of do when they drunk, but
When they sober,
they don't.
there's a different stories. Yeah, I hear you.
And that's why I don't entertain shit.
Yeah.
You can't just approach me just because I'm drunk.
Yeah. I hear you. So what alcohol brand do you fear the most?
Russian beer, wow.
Russian beer is the story.
Yeah,
What happened? What happened? Quick, short story.
I'm not a person who drinks a lot and gets drunk, but like there was this one time I took shots on
Yeah.
That's the story for another day.
The story for another day.
Okay.
I'm gonna say it on
A podcast, maybe a podcast, yeah.
not.
So, have you ever lost an item drunk, and how did that happen?
Nah,
You've never lost anything.
I'm so good.
That's good.
An
Second
OG,
person.
an OG in the making.
Yes.
Yeah, an OG in the making. So, for someone who hasn't started drinking, what do you advise them to do?
Sela, bruh. Sweet thing, you know, I said Sela, bruh. Come on. Sometimes. But like, Sela, but like, they are. I'll stay focused.
Yeah, occasionally, guys. That's what she's saying.
Yeah.
Drink occasionally.
Drink occasionally.
Yeah.
Make sure that you're focused.
Yeah,
Act like you're sober, but you know that deep inside, I'm drunk, bruh.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Thank you. You're so
Last question.
beautiful.
Last question.
What is the question?
What is
So,
the
what is the
craziest,
craziest thing you've ever done while drunk? That's the craziest thing.
Guys, don't know what question is. I competitions.
But I don't know names. We don't want names.
I think it was only cheating. I think everyone does it.
Cheated while drunk.
Everyone does what?
Everyone does what while drunk.
Cheating.
No, my sister.
No,
my sister.
I don't think there's any that I've done personally.
You niggas are justifying cheating right now.
Bro, what is the cheating?
You blame alcohol for cheating.
Kissing,
Vibing,
vibing, flirting,
that's cheating.
fucking.
No. I feel like vibing and
No, according to us.
you have connection. You can't just
Girls, they don't want to take accountability.
You will
guys.
never take accountability as women.
I'm staying with girls, bro. A girl, if a girl does cheat,
Yeah,
you're cheating with that person because you feel something.
yeah.
That you doing just for the plot or
Yeah.
something like that. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yo, thank you everybody for watching. That is all for today, and please like, comment and subscribe, and comment down below if you want more videos like this one. Thank you.